everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a pong game. Like last week we made a scrap project that was the cat that was chasing 2 apples and it was saying something. So today it's going to be a pong game. First open Scratch. If you don't have it, you can just go to Safari and do like last time doing the scrap project and just write scrap. You should see some project down and just click create. Mine, I already downloaded in Apple Store, so you should see already the scrap project. So with a little sprite cat. Now let's put it bigger. Now today, as I say, we're gonna do a pong game. So let's just garbage this cat. Now you can see this cat is not here. Now we're going to choose another sprite. Click on this cat and with your plus, just double click it. Whoopsie. Now it's gone cat 2. Now I'm going to choose the ball for making a pong game. You can choose whatever sprite you want. So let's make it bounce. First, we're going to add an event. It's on yellow. Now, put the first one when green flag clicked it and drag it over. Now let's go to motions. We're gonna do the move step. We're gonna do 15. So it should move. So now we're gonna go to control, make it more faster. So we're gonna do it in a forever loop. Now we're gonna go back and let's see. It seems like the ball is stuck. So we go back to the motions. We scroll all the way down. You should see this if on edge bounce. So put it under the move 15 step. So you should see this bounce like that. I'm gonna make it bounce like up and down. So we're gonna go to we're going to stay to the motions and we're going to do the point towards, and except for 90 where I'm just going to put it to 45. So now if we click it again, you can see it bounces all the way like a square or something. Now we're going to stop this project. We're going to go to add a background. Just click on this little photo. I'm going to choose the space. It's on top of here. You can see all fantasy, but now I'm just going to choose space. I'm going to choose the nail tunnel. You can see the ball is in this tunnel. So we're not going to change this background. We're going to choose another sprite. And you can do a wild search. I'm just going to search for paddle. So paddle. If you just type PA, you should see this paddle on green. Click it. Now you can see the paddle. We're gonna put it down. And then we're gonna go to motions, scroll up, and you can see this chain set X to what. So we're not gonna we're gonna go to sensing. That's on light blue. We're gonna do to mouse X. Remember, not mouse Y, because mouse Y you can see is up and down. We don't want up and down, so we want to left and right. So put it on the X. Now put it into the set X. If you guys can see, there's a little white line, and then if you let it go, it's just gonna be like that. We're gonna put it in a control and a forever loop, and we're gonna add an event. That's the first one when green flag clicked it. Now if we see, it's gonna be like this little paddle follows our mouse. So let's stop. And now we're gonna go to the variable. That's gonna be on orange. We're gonna go on top to make a variable, And I'm going to call it score. You can call it whatever you want. And remember to do it for all sprites. And click OK. You can see the score on top here that says 0. So we're going to go to ball. Click this mini ball. And then we're going to set my variable. We're going to set it to score to 0 and change score by 1. So first we set up this change score right here. Now we go to event. We put an event on top. Now we're going to go to the control and put it in a forever loop. Now we're going to go to motions. We're going to let it move 15 steps. Put it down. And then we're going to put it in a turn 15 degrees. Now you can see that we have 2 events for this ball. We're going to add a third event. That's going to be the same thing when green flag clicked. And then we're going to go to my variables. And we're going to set the score to 0. Now we should seem like finished, but we still have one more thing to do to the paddle. We're gonna actually the ball. We're gonna stay to the ball. Now we're gonna go to add the event, and again the when green flag click. This time we're gonna go to control, and below the forever loop you can see the if then. So click and drag it all the way to the event that you add, and now we're going to go to sensing. You can see the first one, touching mouse pointer. We're going to put it into paddle. Now we are just going to put it in this if then little square. You can see this white and just let it go. It should be like this. Now we're going to put this out and put it in this forever loop, and we are not going to need this anymore. Now for the paddle, we don't need to change anything. So if you can see on the right top here, you can just click it and it's gonna be on full screen. If you click it again, you can see all the things that we did here and all the sensing motions, everything. Now I'm just gonna put it bigger. And let's see. I'm not very good at this, so if you're good at it, you can be better at this. So thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share. My name is Tiantian, and see you next time. Bye-bye!